Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm attempting to change my engine filter, which is located right here. So how you're gonna do it, this have some clips right here. You're gonna get them loose, so lift this up to get access to this right here. So you have to lift up these clips here and get them loose. Lift it up, and then you will see the filter in there. Yeah, that's really bad. So I'm gonna change it with this one that I got off Amazon, and then yeah. So now I just have to replace just open here, change the filter, put it back on, and then that should be it. So this is a 2020 Nissan Rogue. So if you look here, you see one clip here, and if you look here, you see another clip somewhere here. So I'm gonna get these clips loose, 1, 2, and then that should pretty much loosen it up. And you're supposed to can go ahead, take out your filter. Should be pretty much it. Yeah, so again, you just release this tab and the one over here, it's gonna fall out. You're gonna take it out, you put them side by side, they should look the same. So the part that's going to the feet is still a bit white, but the front part, as you see, is a bit dirty. The side by side comparison. So now I'm gonna take this one out the plastic and then just put it the same way. Or I took this, just put it the same way. Or I took this one out, and then that should be it. Yeah, so that's it. This is all on. So they're the same thing. They should have a tab. They should have a tab at the top here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna fit the. So let me go that again. I'm just gonna fit the new one down in there. There you go. And then put it there, and then close the tab. Close the tab on both sides. Yes, let's close these tabs on both sides, and then that should be it. So this is the old one, that's the new one. Now we're gonna put this piece back on. It should just clip in place. Yeah, just clip this back on, and then yeah. So yeah, there you go. That's where you change your engine filter in less than 5 minutes. So there you go. Please, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and on to the next one.